Our brotherhood. Congratulations, Batch 89. Okay, photo op lang, photo op. Okay, thank you very much. And there are official so-called the members of all alumni associations and grade schools. Dinner is now served, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the meal that Batch 89 has prepared for you.
Baka pwede ako makinig ng statement sa'yo.
Okay, okay. No comment, no comment.
Statement? Pwede ako makinig ng statement sa'yo. Sa akin? No, wait! Carlos! Carlos! Batch 82! Batch 82! Oh, batch 82. Tingin ako ng statement. Sure, sure. Thank you for being here, batch 82. Hopefully, all the other homecomings, support mo rin tayo. Thank you for being here. Batch 82 rocks! Thank you! Thank you, thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Batch 89 would like to thank the following sponsors who helped make this event possible. Progressa, Isaac Technica, Visitors, Francis Scott Douglas, Kesson City, or call 0917-330-3390. By Lisa Choi, everything becomes a bit more special over a cup of coffee. Matinko is wood is Matinko. Emerald PVC pipes and fittings. Harinan Tibay, available in leading hardware stores. Rustic Sport Adhesives. Century Properties, real estate with passion.
Hello, kuya. Bigyan mo ako ng konting statement from you. Batch 82 po ako. Bigyan po ako ng konting statement about how you feel about this event.
Well,
This event, we feel old because we're celebrating our 50th anniversary. We're batch 64. But it's quite successful because of the hosting of batch 89. And I think it is really well prepared. So, happy homecoming to everybody and hope you enjoy the night. June Jacinto here. Salamat po. Ano ba pangalan mo? June Jacinto. Salamat po kayo, June. Hello, good evening, kuya. Batch 82, ako. 77. Hindi lang po akong konting statement from how you feel about tonight's event.
Well, we feel very proud to be Laodiceans, and I'm Manny Aquino. This is Rafi Reyes, batch 77. We're happy to be here.
It's great to be back home.
Thank you very much.
buhay para isa lang. Ipinagkakaroon. Daanan sa pinte. Pero talagang pag...
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, batch 82 po ako. Hindi po ako courting statement from you. Ako.
You're Mr.
Kumagun po.
Huh?
Tumagun.
Tumadon.
Opo.
From Ludo School, Quezon City.
Opo, opo.
Okay, hello. This is ABS-CBN.
Ano lang po, sa yung street.
Okay. Okay, hello. And Pax at Bonum, let's blend together. This is Vilma Alvarez Rañada, who has been in Ludo School for the last 25 years, 1969 to 1994. This is my second home, and God bless us all, and may the good Lord have more peace, love, and joy for all the Lordicians. Let's blend together. Okay.
Salamat po.
Favorite teachers. My favorite teachers, Ms. Ranyada Garcia, Carabe.
That is from...
Ito naman ako
We're really happy to see our former students. That's how life is, with love. St. Francis of Assisi, our patron saint. God bless us all. Let us blend.
Let us blend.
Maraming salamat.
Listen na kayo. You know, I've been in show business for over 15 years now. That's why I talaga. I'm really to work with some of the most successful people in the industry.
That's
You know what?
89. I want to see my student.
Save, starting to invest. Invest. Filipino real estate. So it's very important to know where to put our hard earned, non-found investment really is property. But not just any property. Century property, syempre. I found my research, and you can see Century's projects really are the best. Like my condo, Gramercy at Century City. The Knightsbridge residences next door, or the Moderno at Canyon Drive. In times like this, dapat ihapon kasi the best is best property. But then again, not just any property. Properties.
Cheers!